Alrighty, today we're going to be checking out the full body protective case with privacy screen. So let's crack it on open. There we are. Alright. Set those papers aside for now. Alright, let's take a quick look at the instructions here. There's your phone, the front and the back of the case. And then there's the note. Pretty simple. And if you really want to double check on how to put it together, there's the QR code. Looking at it here, let's take the two pieces apart. Alright, here's the back of it. So with this you have the MagSafe ring as well as the stencil here showing you exactly where you need to put it. So you'll want to stick it on the inside of your case, then flip it around, and then you can position the ring properly. I won't be doing that since I don't have a phone to pop it onto, but next I'll be throwing on the front. So just like this, all you gotta do, push all the sides together, and we'll peel this off, as well as the back side. Alright, the back is plastic, while the front is glass. Then you can see the privacy effect as head on, slightly dim. And then the more and more you turn it, darker and darker it gets. And you can see that it's actually kind of nice. From below or above, it doesn't dim too much, but it's the sides that really block it out. So that will make it so no matter the angle that you're looking at it, it's fine, but these sides are gone. Take a quick look. There's your do not disturb port as well as volume. Your key on the side. The cutouts, there we go, the cutouts for the camera. So the only actual cutout is for the microphone. The other ones are simply clear glass. Cutouts for the speakers and charging port, as well as the cutouts for the camera and the various sensors. So, just a quick unboxing, pretty sturdy, feels nice. Other than that, there's not much in the box or left to say about it, other than you do have this MagSafe ring, which I don't have much of a reason to apply right now, but you would just peel the sticky off, stick that on, and take the blue sticky off as well. So, thank you for checking out this quick unboxing and impressions video. Catch you in the next one. See ya.